Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Manya Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we have got it all covered. And we are also adding something new to our bulletin, a daily AI tool or tip to help you work smarter and live more efficiently in this digital age. So, our lead story will be about Microsoft, which lays off 9,000 employees in a major restructuring move. More on that in a bit, but first let's dive into today's top tech headlines. So before we move on, like, share and subscribe to the channel for all your tech updates. Let us start with our headlines. Qualcomm host Auto Day India unveils strategic tech plans. At its Snapdragon Auto Day India event, Qualcomm revealed a series of initiatives aimed at transforming the automotive industry with a next-gen technology. The company introduced platforms from Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, which is ADAS, in-car connectivity, and personalized infotainment powered by AI. Qualcomm also highlighted its growing partnerships with Indian automakers to integrate the chip and platform into smart vehicles. With India's EV and smart mobility sector expanding rapidly, Qualcomm aims to position itself as a central tech enabler in the future of connected and autonomous driving in the country. WhatsApp empowers business with AI chat and voice calling. WhatsApp has launched a suite of powerful new tools for business, including AI-powered chat support, voice calling capabilities, and personalized messaging options. The update is a part of Meta's push to turn WhatsApp into a robust business platform. Companies can now automate FAQs, schedule messages, and even handle customer service through AI bots. These features are expected to streamline operations for small and large business alike, enhancing customer engagement while reducing the manpower cost. So the rollout is currently focused on WhatsApp Business app with plans to expand its access. Perplexity launches premium plan at $200 per month. Perplexity AI, known for its conversational AI search engine, has introduced a premium subscription plan priced at $200 per month. The plan targets power users, researchers, and professionals who need deeper, more refined search capabilities. Subscribers will gain access to exclusive AI models, early product features, and faster response speeds. The launch is seen as a bold move in the AI market, signaling that companies are willing to monetize the high-end AI service with steep pricing for niche segments. Perplexity says the premium plan enhances productivity and content generation. Baidu launches AI video generator and revamps the search. Chinese tech giant Baidu has unveiled an AI video generator capable of creating short, high-quality video content from text prompts. This tool, aimed at content creators and marketers, is a part of a larger upgrade to Baidu's search engine, which now includes AI-powered summaries, contextual answers, and multimedia integrations. So the company is positioning itself as China's answer to OpenAI and Google, pushing aggressive innovation in generative AI. Baidu hopes that these advancements will attract more developers and business to its growing AI ecosystem and boost engagement across the platforms. OpenAI condemns Robinhood over use of OpenAI tokens. So OpenAI has issued a sharp rebuke to stock trading platform Robinhood over its use of the term OpenAI tokens in a promotional campaign. The AI company clarified that it has no affiliation with the tokens being advertised and called the move misleading to the users. This public condemnation highlights the growing concerns over brand misuse and confusion as AI companies become increasingly mainstream. OpenAI is reportedly considering legal options to prevent similar occurrence in the future, emphasizing the importance of brand protection and consumer clarity in a rapidly evolving tech market. Google promotes AI mode with creative homepage doodle. So the news says Google used its homepage doodle to introduce AI mode, its latest AI-powered search experience. The interactive doodle encourages users to explore how AI can enhance the search results through summarization, contextual understanding, and the follow-up suggestions. The tool is designed to rival ChatGPT-style inferences, offering a more intuitive and insightful search experience. So by placing the feature front and center on its homepage, Google aims to drive mass adoption and educate the users about the benefits of AI integration in everyday search. The move reflects the company's strategy to blend AI into its core offerings. Now that you're caught up on the headlines, let's drift our gears and check out something that could make your digital life a little or more smarter. So the AI tool of the day is Collate. So it is an AI-powered research companion that helps you collect, organize, and summarize the information from multiple sources, be it articles, PDFs, web pages, all in one place. It is perfect for students, writers, analysts, and curious minds. It auto-generates insights, highlights the key points, even helps build reports on knowledge bases. Try Collate now, organize smarter, not harder. The link is in the description below. Comment your experience to us. Now moving on to our lead story of the day, which is about Microsoft, which lays off 9,000 employees in a major restructuring move. So what has happened? Microsoft has announced another major round of layoff, cutting 9,000 jobs across various departments, including sales, marketing, and gaming. This move pushes the total number of job cuts at the tech giant to over 15,000 since May 2025. Decision is a part of Microsoft's broader restructuring strategy as the company doubles down on its focus on artificial intelligence and streamlining the operations. So while Microsoft continues to see strong performance from its AI offerings like Copilot and its cloud platform Azure, the company is also facing pressure to improve efficiency and reduce cost. So the layoffs are aimed at reducing managerial layers and enabling quicker decision-making process across the team. In the gaming division, several studios and projects have reportedly been impacted from this, signaling a shift in Microsoft's content strategy. Affected employees have been offered severance packages, extended healthcare benefits, and the option to apply for internal roles. Despite the job cuts, Microsoft remains financially strong, with recent earnings showing high revenues and profits. However, the growing investment in AI infrastructure and data centers, it is forcing companies to reevaluate its source allocation. This wave of layoff reflects a larger trend in the tech industry where companies are adjusting their workforce to align with the rapidly evolving digital landscape. And that's a wrap to our tech bulletin today. I'm Manya Gupta and this is IT Voice, where we break down tech minus the jargon. So don't forget to like, follow and share if you found this helpful, and I'll see you tomorrow with some more tech bulletins.